Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to draw an eye kind of cartoon. So I have to give alright, it's calibrated now, alright. So now I can start to draw for you, alright? We'll start off with maybe the top eyelash. Gonna go down a little, smooth it out. Actually, I don't know. Doesn't look very good. Scratch it. How about let's get the eye color down there. Let's do a blue eye. That's the most common eye color, I believe. It's not. Okay, I guess not. I'm pretty sure it's brown anyway. Aside from signs, yeah, let's just draw the shape. Yeah. There's a circle. Alright, we have the shape. Now we fill it in with our fill tool, our handy fill tool. Fill it in a couple more times so it's full and thick. Right, cool, got it, good. Alright, and now we have to draw the pupil. We've drawn the iris, now it's time for the pupil. Okay, gonna fill that in. Very good, very good. Alright, now we have to draw the bottom part, which is typically lighter than the top. Some artists do it differently. I just draw the bottom part lighter. And now I fill that in, and immediately you can see that it's starting to come together as a more anime-ish looking eye, or maybe your standard cartoon. And we start to add the shine on the eye now. Notice it's not completely white. It's a lighter blue than the second shade and the first shade. So we fill those in. Yeah. And we continue to do that. And we fill in some more. You can add as many of these as you want, as long as it doesn't take up the whole entire eye. It's good. Alright, we're gonna add the white part now. Oh my god, no. Okay. I'm so glad there's an undo button. It's so handy. Best friend. And you can see that it's starting to look very good now. So you have to mix the lighter colors and the whites together yeah. Well, that's good. Alright, let's continue to do that just a little more. You can't overdo it. If you overdo it, it'll just look like, it won't even look like an eye anymore. So make sure you put an even amount of shine in the eye. Does that make sense? Shine in the I don't know. We'll see. Okay? Alright. Now we're gonna get a brown for the eyelash, I think. I don't know. Maybe I just won't draw an eyelash. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see if it looks good. Let's give it a try. Alright. No, thank you. No, thank you. How about... No, that's not... No, thank you. No, thank you. Alright, then I guess it's just gonna be the eye. Let's get a background. We don't just want it to be floating in a white background. That's not very fun. Maybe let's do a yellow, and then maybe a green for the top, and a pink for the bottom. How's that? I like that. I like that plan. Now, if the colors are too close together on Clip Studio Paint, then it won't register as them being two different colors. See, it just blends it together. So I have to make sure that they're, you can differ between the two. Ooh, that's a dark green. I don't know. Doesn't look for ew. Doesn't blend well with the light yellow. No, thank you. That's much better. Much better. Thank you. All right. How about a little light pink? Fill that in. Yes. All right. And all that's left to do is to sign it. How about a white? Yes. Thicker. All right. Yay. I have to save it. Right, I think I'm gonna extend the Z a little bit, you know? Extend that out, make it look kind of cool. Okay, alright. Now, I'm gonna write subscribe at the bottom, because hopefully you subscribe if you liked this. Maybe I'll do another tutorial. I might. We'll see. Hopefully I taught you well on how to draw eyes a little better on digital art, or, you know, in real life on paper, you know? But the sad thing is, on paper, there isn't a fill tool, sadly. That always gets me. In the back of my mind, I'm like, wait, I can just use a fill tool, but I can't use a fill tool. So that's sad. Oh, I gotta sneeze. How about eye tutorial? Yeah, alright. Mars sub. And that's it. Thank you, and bye.